this is JK Yim Kyung and welcome you all to my channel and also here in this video. Today we will be exploring another new cafe that is recently started here in Shamator by a beautiful lady providing a beautiful and delicious bakes. The owner gave a beautiful name to the cafe as the Flying Apron, which really will make you fly after tasting the stuffs baked by her beautiful hands. Cakes, pastries, pizzas, burgers will be available here in the cafe. You can also pre-order the cakes for your loved and dear ones. For celebration, cakes, pizzas, and burgers place an order 3 days prior to delivery date. So if you want to order anything, kindly check out the descriptions for the contact.
Shamator itu di momen di sini belum masih. Pera ini na kurang lagi saya boleh itu cold coffee.
Itu আছে.
Itu kayak itu. Kalau lebih
Buka হয়ে যাব। Satu.
Nah,